Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to fix earphone if one side of your earphone is blocking. So guys, maybe one side of your earphone is silent or quieter than others. So don't you don't it so first of all guys, you need to understand why side is not working. So they can be a few reasons. First is the jack or the plug might not be full inserted or creating a weak connection. So make sure to have a correct connection or tight connection. And second thing could be reason is the dirt, earwax or other junk could be the blocking the sound on one side. And the third one is there could be damaged cable or a tear in the cable could be disrupting the signal. So these are the following could be reasons. So how can you fix? So first of all guys, let's get to the fun part, the fix. So make sure both jack and the plug are fully inserted and try plugging them into another device to see if the problem persists. If and then check whether if the problem persists, then they must be the problem with your earphones. If your earphone is working on other mobile or other smartphone, then guys it's the problem with your device itself. So second thing, you can grab a cotton swab or gently clean the jack or the mesh grills on the earbuds. So you can clean it from here, like, and be careful to push anything inside. And the third one is you can look for any visible damage like ink or tears. If the damage is minor, you might be able to fix it by electric tape. You have to check all the wires and check whether there is a minor tear or something like. So if there is a major tears, just it's a replacement time guys, and if it's not expensive, you can go for the replacement. So hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos guys, and that's how you can fix your earphones. Till then.